They say it's impossible, but I'm gonna make a video game on this piece of brick and publish it to Play Store. Yeah, you heard that right. In this series, we're going to learn build a game inside a smartphone using GDevelop. By the end of this series, you will be able to publish your first mobile game to Play Store. Although you will need to pay some bucks to Google, but I've already done that, so no worries. Using a game engine in your phone can be really annoying, but throughout this series, you must have these two things in your mind: patience and patience. So without wasting any time, let's make a game. First, let's open Play Store and search for GDevelop. Now let's go and install the app and wait for it. Now let's open the app and wait for it again. So now this is GDevelop. The first thing we're going to do is going to log in by clicking on the login button top right corner. I'm going to log in with Google, but you can make an account however you want. So now let's go and click on this create button down here. You can see that there are many templates which you can use to create your own game. But we're going to create our own game, so let's go and click on this create button. And now let's select the empty project. And here you're going to select the resolution of your game, in which case it will be mobile portrait. Now let's name our game. I'm going to name it Fruit Faller. And let's also select this button. And now finally let's go and create a new game. And wait for 50 years. Yeah. So now this is the editor in which we are going to make the game. Down here you can see a panel in which we are going to add objects to our scene. And in the top right corner here, if you click on it, this is the event section. In the event section, we are going to make the rules of our game, like we're going to give a character a movement or something else. So now let's go back and start by adding an actual object to our scene. In here you can see that there are many objects, but the object we need is from Asset Store. And in the top right corner, you can see that there is an option of Asset Store. So let's click on it. And now here we are going to search for a basket. Yeah, we are going to need a basket that a player can catch the fruits that are falling from the sky. As you can see here that there are many baskets, but we are going to select this one and click on this button add to the scene. And now it's added to a scene, so let's close the panel. So now let's go and add the object to our scene by dragging it. And you can see it's really tiny, so let's go and click on it and scale it a little bit. And let's just put it down here. Yeah. So now let's play the game by clicking on this button top here. And you can see that the basket is in the game, but you cannot move that by touching on it. So let's go and fix that. But before that, let's go and click on these three dots in the top left corner and rename our scene. So you can see that it's untitled scene, and let's go and rename it to game. And now let's just close the panel. As you can see that there's a white color in the background which looks really dull. So you can click on this button down here and change the background of our game. So we'll change the color to something like sky color. Yeah, that will be fine. And now it's finally the time to give the basket some movement. So we're going to go to the event section and add a new event. In here you can see that there are two options. One is add a condition and the second is add action. For example, that if a condition is that a button is pressed, so you can add an action of like player jump or player dead or something else. Now let's just click on add a condition and go to other conditions. In here we are going to go to mouse and touch and click on this mouse button pressed. In here we are going to select left primary, which means that dragging from left to right in the screen. And let's just click on OK. So now whatever we put in the action part will happen when the player drags from left to right. So we are going to add action and click on our basket. Here we are going to change the X position of our basket. So we are going to click on this X position. So now in the value section we would write mouse.x and then brackets. So now let's go and click on OK. And now when we play the game, you can see that if you drag from left to right, the basket drags too. And that's cool enough to finish this video here because I'm running out of patience to upload this video. So this was just the first part in which I taught you how you can download an engine and work with its basic interface. So if you want me to make more videos like this, share this video to a friend who wants to make shit games in a phone. Yeah, I'm gonna make a second part of this series in a week or two, so stay tuned. Till that, thank you for watching and goodbye.